Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about flowcharts, part of programming in C course. A flowchart is a type of diagram that is used to represent an algorithm in a visual manner. It is a common way to represent algorithms because it makes the process easy to understand and follow. Here is an example of an algorithm represented as a flowchart. This is an example of a flowchart that checks whether a number is greater than 100. The flowchart starts with a start block and then goes to an input number block, where the user inputs a number. The flowchart then goes to check if the number is greater than 100 block, where the algorithm checks if the number is greater than 100. If the number is greater than 100, the flowchart goes to a print big block, where the algorithm prints the word big. If the number is not greater than 100, the flowchart goes to a print small block, where the algorithm prints the word small. Finally, the flowchart goes to an end block, indicating the end of the algorithm. It is important to note that flowcharts are a simple and effective way to represent algorithms because they are easy to read and understand. The shapes used in flowcharts are standardized and have specific meanings that make it easy to understand the logic and flow of the algorithm. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.